welcome back to ArtbyPurnima. On today's video we're going to be doing a beautiful clematis with buds and some leaves. So I'm going to start off by doing a tracing. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my propelling pencil to just do a light tracing on my watercolour paper. Today I'm using a hot press paper and I've also taped around the edges. All the materials that I'm using today are listed below, so don't forget to click down below. Okay, so now the tracing's complete, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to mix my paint up. I'm using a very light pink today, just making a watery mixture and then getting it all mixed together ready to start painting with. I'm using my number 4 round brush today and I'm going to start off by glazing the flower petals with water first. Once I've glazed it, I'm going to just drop in the pink here and just let it spread. And I'm going to do all the flowers and all the petals with the buds in this same way. Okay, so now I've done the flower petals, I'm going to mix some green up ready. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to start to paint the flower buds. once I've done all the flower buds, I'm going to start painting the leaves. I'm using the mixture of green that I've already mixed, and then I'm just putting a light paint over, and then I'm just adding a touch of pink just to tinge the edges of the leaves. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a second layer on my petals just to brighten the colour up a little bit. So I'm just going to do exactly what I did earlier on. Just glaze the petals with water first and then just drop the pink paint in. I'm just going to put a second layer on the leaves now. Same thing again, just glaze it with water first and then just add the green and a tiny little bit of pink on the edges. I'm going to just start to do the centres. This is just adding a little bit of yellow, just doing little light marks to represent the stamens. Okay, the whole painting has got to dry now, so once it's dry I can then just go in and start to add my stems, just coming from my buds and from the leaves as well. Okay, once the whole stems and the whole painting is dry, we're going to add some black outlines with our uni pen and just define the outside leaves and the petals and the buds. Finally putting all the stamens in just in the middle of the flower. So this brings us to the end of our project today. I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure that you check the other videos out that I've also produced. Hopefully you'll be able to practice some watercolour techniques too. So thank you very much. Bye for now.